Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up payment details on Whop. In order to do it, first of all, you will have to come on whop.com and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Then hover over to the left hand section and click on your profile icon. Now, once you are on this page, you just have to first of all go to your payment methods and click on the option of add payment method. Over here, you need to provide your card details, then select your name, select your country or your region and provide your address details. After filling these details, you will have to simply press this save button and your payment method will be added in your payment methods section. Now, in order to withdraw your money, you need to first of all click on this balance option and then you will be landed on this page. Now, whatever amount of money you have made at Whop will be shown on this page, and in order to withdraw that money into your bank account, you need to set up Whop payments. So once you click on this option, it will ask you to select your country or your region, so you need to select that first, then press next in the bottom. Now, as soon as you click on this next option, it will redirect you in a new tab, and basically it will show you contact.stripe.com. So once you are on stripe.com, you will have to simply create your account on Stripe, or if you already have an account, you just have to log in with your credentials. So you need to open your email and you need to paste it over here and then press next. After that, you need to provide your phone number and then you just have to simply provide that and press submit option. On the next page, you will have to provide some of your banking details and your personal details. So these details are confidential, so you will have to provide those, and basically you need to set up your Stripe account. Once you have connected your Stripe account with your Whop account, you can just place the withdraw to bank account. The withdraw to bank account will be activated and then you can place your withdrawal from Whop. So this is how you can set up your payment method, and this is how you can get paid from Whop. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.